Welcome to Pasifika Maths. In today's lesson, we're going to look at expanding with single brackets using the grid method. How do you expand with single brackets? Well, we multiply the term outside the bracket by each term inside the bracket. Let's look at an example. What you will notice is in this case, we've got 3 terms inside the bracket. So, let's look at expanding 8 bracket x plus 2y plus 4. So this is where we put the term outside the bracket, and on top we'll put all the terms inside the bracket. Now, we need to multiply the term outside the bracket with the first term. So 8 times x is 8x. We now multiply the term outside the bracket by the second term. So 8 times 2y is equal to 16y. And now we're going to multiply the term outside the bracket by our third term. So 8 times positive 4 is positive 32. So from this example, 8 bracket x plus 2y plus 4 expands to 8x plus 16y plus 32. Let's look at another one. Expand 5 bracket x minus 2y plus 3z. So, the term outside the bracket goes here, and the terms inside the bracket go on top. Term outside the bracket is 5, and x minus 2y plus 3z are the terms inside the bracket. We're now going to multiply the first term. 5 times x, which is 5x. Then we're going to multiply the second term. 5 times negative 2y is equal to negative 10y. And the last one is the third term. 5 times positive 3 is equal to positive 15. So 5 bracket x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 5x minus 10y plus 15z. Now, why don't you give these a go? Pause the video, have a go, and then come back to check your answers. If you got 2x plus 4y plus 6, well done. For the second one, if you got 8x plus 12y minus 16, you're learning really fast. Now, just to recap, expanding with single brackets, in this case, having 3 terms inside the bracket. So how do you expand? Well, we multiply the term outside the bracket by each term inside the bracket. So using the grid method, we can put 8 on the outside. So if we decided to make a grid, so it'll go over there. And then x plus 2y plus 4 goes on top. And then we just multiply the first term. So 8 times x is 8x. Then multiply the second term. 8 times positive 2y is positive 16. And then multiply the third term. 8 times positive 4 is positive 32. So just remember the steps. Step 1, multiply the term outside the bracket by the first term inside the bracket. Step 2, multiply the term outside the bracket by the second term inside the bracket. And step 3, multiply the term outside the bracket by the third term inside the bracket. And that is it. That is how you expand with single brackets having 3 terms inside the bracket. I hope the lesson has helped you today. We will see you in our next one.